This time we are going to simplify POS, product of the sum. First, we're supposed to set up the Karnaugh map. Please notice that on the left side of each term, I have variable a. A represents the most significant bit in this case, and C represents the least significant bit in this case. That's why I'm going to write A over here and B, C at the top. I'm going to have A, and I'm going to have B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C. But because I'm going to simplify POS, product of the sums, I have to deal with zeros, and at this moment I'm going to draw the bar over every single variable which is next to 1 or above 1. You remember with SOP we wrote the bar over the variable which was next to 0 or over 0. If it comes to POS, we are going to draw the bar over the variable which is next to 1 or over 1. Every term of my expression is going to represent 0. With SOP, we had 1s. With POS, we are going to have zeros. I have A, B, C. A, B, C. This 0 is going to be placed in cell number 0. Next term, I have A, B, C naught. A, B, C naught. I have another 0 over here. I have A, B naught, C. A, B naught, C. Another 0 over here. And I have A, B naught, C naught. A, B naught, C naught. I have another 0 over here. I have A naught, B naught, C. A naught, B naught, C. If it comes to grouping, we have to apply the same rules like we had with SOP. We're supposed to make sure that we are going to create groups of 1, 2, 4, or 8. Remember, try to group always many zeros as is possible, okay? So, I have group of 4. This is my first group. And I have group of 2 zeros. I have 2 groups in this K-map. This group is placed in 1 row. We said anytime we have group placed in 1 row, we're supposed to just copy down whatever is next to this row. So in this case, I have A. Remember, we are dealing with POS, that's why this is A next to 0. So I have A. At the top, we do not have common variable. I mean, we do not have B, 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 okay? We have B, B, B naught, B naught. We said anytime we have complements, we're supposed to ignore them. So that's why I'm going to ignore everything, whatever is at the top related to this group. Next, this group is placed in 2 rows, and at the side of these 2 rows I have complements. Again, we ignore complements. So I'm going to copy everything, whatever is at the top of this group. I have B naught C. Multiply B naught or C. Remember, we are dealing with product of the sums. That's why we are going to have multiplication. This A represents my first group times, because we have to have product, the sum B naught or C. So this is my simplified expression. Next, we're supposed to implement this function. I'm not going to convert this to SOP. I'm going to just simply implement whatever we have obtained. So I have A, I have OR gate. with input B, with inverter, and input C. And output of the OR gates are supposed to be AND with input A. Okay, this is my output. These are the solutions to my problem.